Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is simple, fun, and practical. Alright, now we're talking about the rules of divisibility. Now we are on 6. So, how do you know a number is divisible by 6? And when we say divisible, we mean exactly, okay, without a remainder. Okay, so how do you know a number is divisible by 6 without a remainder? That number would satisfy the rule for 2 and 3. And you remember, if you have not seen it, please go to the playlist and check. The division made easy playlist and check. Alright, for the rules of 2 and 3. So for a number to be divisible by 6, that number must be divisible by both 2 and 3. Alright, because here, let's just say 2 times 3 is equals to 6, right? Okay, so for a number to be divisible by 6, that number must be divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. So we say for a number to be divisible by 2, the number must be an even number. Alright, and then for a number to be divisible by 3, the sum of its digits must be a multiple of 3. Alright, so that means a number divisible by 6 is an even number that the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3. So for example, if you have 222 is an even number, and then if you sum the digits together, you have 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that will give you 6, and 6 is a multiple of 3, right? So this number is divisible by 6. Alright, I could just try that out with short division. 2 divided by 6. So 6 goes into 0, remainder 2. 2 in 22 is 3. That's 18, right? Remainder 4. And 6 in 42 is 7. As you can see. So 222 divided by 6 is 37.